Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another video. Today I shall teach you how to use my Facebook account create tools TSB Worker Pro. Okay, so our another video have. So first of all I go to ldplayer 9. Okay, just see ldplayer 9 location. See and properties, click at D drive location. My PC ldplayer location now D drive. Okay, so now I go to config.txt. It's Facebook account create tools file. Okay, I share you, don't worry. So see here a D drive already exit. It's mean I already set up it. Okay, your location C drive, so you write here C and save it. Okay, don't worry. Cross click, then I all clear now. ldplayer option. Now here add instance, I will delete it now, then I firstly show you. Okay, don't worry, just click here add instance, click. Okay, and new instance, just here click 10, 1 or 2. It depends on your PC RAM. Okay, task manager, I going to task manager and see here 13 GB. It's mean here 16 GB RAM. Okay, so your PC RAM 16 GB, so you use 5 ldplayer instance multi. Okay, your PC RAM 64 GB, you use 20 plus ldplayer. It's mean more Facebook account create. Multi ldplayer use and more Facebook account creates very fast. Almost one day 20 ldplayer open, so use almost 1k to 2k account Facebook account create daily. Okay, so just I see my Facebook account create tools. This is my Facebook account create tools. It's how to buy it. You just contact with me Abhira Sanjoy 01 Telegram or TSB Worker. Screen showing now Telegram account and username address. You contact with me. By the here you show enable 2FA, extract 2FA, extract cookie, super proxy, enable, add email, all system is here. Okay, and you need proxy to contact with me TSB support. Okay, here proxy use all is here. Just click save configuration, just click here to contact with me. Here say add balance, it's mean you number buy and you work with me. Okay, already connected here our panel, and here Binance BP20 use deposit system. Okay, deposit here number, deposit balance, and use our number panel. Optional notes, history option, I already approved it. Bigger option, how to set up tools, here just click and instruction C. Now I show you how to create Facebook account or tools. You go to our Facebook our YouTube channel and see this video. Okay, see this video and you understand English. See add profile picture, create unlimited Facebook account daily. I use RDP. See this video, it's my Facebook account create tools, is very good working bro, 100% working.